Hello and welcome back to Fat Monkey 404. Today we are building a BrickHeadz set with 5 builds. It's the Spice Girls tribute. Yes, I know, a 46-year-old man building the Spice Girls, but it is Lego. I seen it on Brick Borrow and thought, why not? First formed in 1994, the first hit, Wannabe, coming out in 1996, followed with hit after hit until 1998 when Geri left, and the rest hobbled on until 2000 where they officially split. Some went on with a solo singing career with varying success. Best looking one was always Emma, aka Baby Spice for me. Anyhow, this is set number 40548, released in March 2022 and retired in December 2022. Set has 578 pieces over 5 bags and can be picked up for about 28 pounds on Amazon. Let's get cracking.
And that's a wrap. What can I say? They are the BrickHeadz version of Spice Girls and actually look pretty good, I must admit. Surprised this set's not worth more, as they were a massive success in the late 90s, selling over 100 million records worldwide, making them the best-selling girl group of all time. Their debut album, Spice, sold more than 23 million copies globally, making it the best-selling album by a girl group in history. For £30-ish, it's a great set to buy, to build, and stick with all your other Spice Girls merch. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, adios.